In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage filters in Yahoo Mail. Filters are a simple way to keep your inbox organized automatically by sending certain emails straight into folders you choose. They're great for newsletters, receipts, or anything you want to file away the moment it arrives. Start in your Yahoo Mail inbox and look to the top right for the gear icon. Click it, then choose More Settings. From the menu on the left, select Filters. This is your control center for creating and managing rules. Click Add New Filters to begin. Give your filter a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, like newsletters or receipts. Next, set the conditions that will trigger the filter. You can target the From address, the To or CC fields, the subject line, or even words in the body of the email. For each condition, choose how Yahoo should match it. For example, contains is great for keywords like invoice, while begins with can help when a sender's address has a consistent start. If capitalization matters for your case, you can choose to match case, but most people can leave that off. Take a moment to think about what makes the emails you want to catch unique, and keep your rules specific so you don't accidentally move unrelated messages. Now choose where those emails should go. Pick an existing folder or create a new one if you want a fresh spot to collect them. When you're happy with your setup, click Save. From now on, any new email that meets your conditions will be moved automatically to the folder you selected. There's also a quick way to build a filter from a specific message. Open or select an email that represents the pattern you want to capture, click the three dots in the toolbar, and choose Filter Messages like this. You can immediately assign a folder from the drop-down, or click More Options if you want to refine the criteria, just like before. When you're set, click Save. If you ever need to adjust or remove a filter, head back to Settings, then More Settings, and open Filters. Select the filter you want to change, edit the name, rules, or destination folder, and save your changes. To delete one entirely, click the trash icon. That's an easy way to clean up rules you no longer need. With these steps, your Yahoo Mail will start organizing itself, helping you focus on what matters most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.